Have you ever used a password like 123456 or password 123? Don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the thing. Those are the first passwords hackers try, and they can break into accounts in seconds. So today, let's fix that. Here are 5 easy tips for creating strong passwords, beginner-friendly and simple enough for anyone to use. Tip number 1, use a passphrase, not just a word. Instead of a single word like coffee, try combining random words into a short phrase. Something like Blue Train runs 2024. It's long, it's unique, and much harder to guess. Tip number 2, mix it up. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. For example, instead of sunshine, try unsh1ni24. Adding variety makes your password way stronger. Tip number 3, avoid personal info. No birthdays, no pet names, no street addresses. Hackers can easily find that info on social media. If your password is Fluffy2018 and your cat's name is Fluffy, you're basically handing them the keys. Tip number 4, don't reuse passwords. I know, it's tempting to use the same one everywhere, but if one account gets hacked, every account is at risk. Make each password unique. That way, a leak on one site won't affect the rest. Tip number 5, use a password manager. Remembering dozens of complex passwords is tough. A password manager stores them securely and can even generate strong ones for you. Think of it like a safe for all your logins. Quick recap, use passphrases, mix in letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal info, don't reuse passwords, and let a password manager help you. Strong passwords don't have to be complicated, they just have to be smart. If this helped, give it a like, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips every week.